Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account from Android mobile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So first of all, open your Gmail application, then click on this profile icon to the upper right hand corner and scroll down, then click on add another account. Select Google and give here your phone pattern and click on create account. And you can create an account for myself and to manage your business. So right now I'm going to select this first option and give here your first name and give here your last name, then click on next. And now here you have to select your birth date, year and day. Then select your gender from here and click on next. And here you have to pick a Gmail address or create your own. So I'm going to select this first option, or you can create your own from here. So I'm going to, you can use it from here, then click on next. And now here you have to give a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Then click on next. And here you have to put your phone number, next, next, I agree, and the account has been successfully created. Now if I click on this profile icon to the upper right hand corner and if I search for my new Gmail, here we can see example check25gmail@gmail.com. My Gmail account has been successfully created. So this is how we can create Gmail from Android. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to admin it. Thank you for watching.